Right, I'm testing the power supply I just got in from York Scientific. It's like a Turbocoil 300 1U-PFC. You see there the output's supposed to be 5 volts 30 amps, 12 volts 16 amps, and on the 3.3 volt rail 20 amps. The fan is spinning. I don't know if you can hear that or see that. I'll get a little piece of paper here. Yeah, right there. So, fan's going real good. I put it on half load right there. So, I got 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That makes 12, 14. I got 15 amps on the 5 volt. And I got 8 amps on 12 volts, so that's half load. And I've got 10 amps on the 3.3 volt with half load. Normally I would say that anything within a volt of the rating works, and that's been my practical experience all these years. So these are good voltage readings. I think the power supply is working correctly. Even the plus 5 VSB, all that does is activate a relay for the system board to short basically the green wire to the black wire in the ATX cable. So that's good enough. So I think this is a working power supply. Accordingly, if it wasn't working for the end user, you have another problem like an illegitimate load with a faulty device or system board attached to the power supply. So you could go up in the amperage here. I'm going to have to get some external resistors to get much larger here than on the 5 volt, 8, 12, let's see, 14, 15. Okay, so this brings us up to 23 amps, and it's still working for now. It's been going like 10 minutes, and I can up the 12 volt amps. And again, if I want to go any higher, I need to go get some external resistors and attach it to the power supply to be a load, which is hard because this one doesn't have any other cables. It only has that primary ATX cable. And then I can up the load on the 3.3. So I've got 12, 14, 15 amps on the 3.3, which is 15 out of 20 total. And let's see, 4, 8, 10, 11 on the 12 volts, which is 11 of the 16 it's rated for. And I got 16, the light's out on that one, but it's still turned on. I got 16, 20, 22, I got 23 amps on the plus 5 volts rated for 30. So this looks like a good power supply. I'm going to let it run for a half hour and I'll report back.